Dinisa for being a bishop. The position given on this date, January 28, 2023, which is Adar 2, 2022 sa kalendar sa Diyos, with the authority and exemption of expectation to dispose his bishop functions and authorities in behalf of the constituents. This authorization is applicable throughout the whole Philippines and to every mission point where it extends its operations. This certificate is valid only for 2 years from the date of issuance. Cardinal Romy A. Buntigawa, may pirma. Ayaw pa siya nga. Wala. Oh, sige lang, ito lang yung ihatag. Ihatag na natin, pirma lang niyo, paupas. Paupas. Kanin ito may naguna. Si Bishop Kalibo. Sampul pa to? Sampul pa dito. Okay. Kaya na po. Mariga po. Mutual understanding of all religious Christians incorporated. Set registered number CN201537111. Dapitan, Israel City. Certificate of ordination. By this presentation, shall all men know that Adolfo G. Vildinesa is hereby concentrated and recognized for being a bishop. Di na makita, asa kong mata. Mana di matuan ni Ron anti-pananta.
Wanar ba ito mo gawas po?
Wana.
Wala mo gawas.
Ha? Given on this date, January 28, 2023, Adar 2, 2022, and the third day of Christ our Lord, in recognition to authority to preach, teach, train, and send out ministers and missionaries, plant churches, and observe ni? Observe? Ano pag nili observe? Gani? Oversee ni? Oversee the work of local ministries to certificate all officiate all sacraments and ordinances as recorded in the Holy Scriptures, to pray for counsel, the sick and the afflicted, and to perform all other functions which by law and the Christian custom constitutes the responsibilities of a bishop. This certificate is valid only for 2 years from the date of issuance. Maraming hapon. Cardinal Romy A. Buntigaw, member of the Board of Directors. So good na ta.
So kami sa masa gi-set na to na sir. Una diri sa Gituan, kay Gate 2, ayon sa kay Colonel Benito, Gibson, kay Jimbo, kay Santik. Kung gi-set. So kami diri pinabasa kay old text mo kanyo. Kinaraan nga literal ba? Hindi nabasa.
Tapot magot.
Tapot kita na ilan.
Roman o.
So Adolfo Vildinesa sir. O sana.
Mora niya po ni.
Rumah mo na, yatag lang dito.
Okay.
Kaya po.
Guys, Adolfo ni, no? Adolfo, mo ni. Dire. Dito, ito pa sa dito kayo.
Ano pa yun sa? Usahan lang ako sir, certificate of appointment.
Certificate of Appointment.
Okay, ordination.
Certificate of Ordination.
Sige, sir.
Live man eh, di man yung kapicture.
Ah,
Oh, sige, live.
Sabay ka, guard. Guard.
Mana?
Ah,
okay.